Hey guys, we are in Tangier, Morocco. We took a quick flight here from Malaga, about 35 minutes, and we landed here yesterday afternoon. And we're headed to some sites today because tomorrow we're going to the famous city, can't remember the name of it, Chefchaouen or something like that, with like all the blue houses you see all over Instagram and social media. So today's the only real day we have to travel and see Tangier, because after that we're driving 6 hours to Marrakech for a week. But check out this beautiful view. We were driving to one of our sites here. I just pulled over on the side of the road. That's our car there. And look at this beautiful, beautiful view. As I'm driving through Tangier, it's even better than I expected. Everything is just so nicely maintained, very beautiful, a lot of greenery, beautiful coastline, and mosque everywhere you go. The people are super friendly. So far, having a really good experience. We even had some food, traditional Tangier, since we've been here for lunch. That was great as well. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to traveling the rest of the beautiful city and country. So we've made it to our first point of interest, called Carbol Espatel. And we find this nice parking lot here. It's like a guy that's like hustling for change, but it's basically it's free to park here, and you have these beautiful, beautiful views of the ocean here. And the waves are real rough right now, very choppy. Let's check it out. Let's get a closer look and let's walk down here before we check out the views from the cliffs. Restaurant, or a few restaurants here you can choose to eat and have this beautiful view of the ocean here, which is perfect. Unfortunately, we've already eaten already. This is definitely a great start to our travels through Morocco. I always felt like I would like it here just because it's a coastal city and I love being near the water. But I mean, we even see coastlines and expensive apartments and homes on the water as we were driving here that looked just like we were in the south of Spain, Andalusia. Exactly the same. Couldn't tell we were in another country. And it's probably a lot more affordable as well, I would assume. I'm not sure. But yeah, what a great place. So now we're at the next place called Tubas Veneci, and it's like these carvings of tombs inside of the rocks overlooking the cliffs here of the ocean, of the Mediterranean. Let's check them out. They're kind of filled with water right now. But the carvings are in a lot of the stones here in the cliffs. As you can see here as well. So you see that they have like the The holes in the concrete like that. It's like tombs.
From here?
You see it like there? It's like a tomb.
Oh, really?
And some back there. Nothing's in there, but they're like carved out.
Okay, wait. Want a picture?
Alright, so we just made it to a park. See, it's kind of hard to pronounce, but Min Dubai Park. It's like up this little incline here, and you have like really beautiful views of the city. The ocean's just right there on the other side, and there's also like a square that's over here that's called the Grand Circle. So if you kind of cross over to the other side of the park, we should be able to kind of stumble right upon it really quickly. So let's check it out. Let's see what we can find. And here we are at the Grand Circle, this square here. There's many different things going on, so let's just walk around and check it out. Alright, let's go to the Medina here in Tangier. We can get like a lot of cheap goods, souvenirs, things like that. So I just briefly walked through the Medina. There was a lot going on in many different directions. I just didn't feel comfortable pulling the camera out that much. It's only got like a few quick shots. But yeah, we're gonna head to this beautiful mosque. And it seems like it opens like at different times, like 4 p.m., 7 p.m. So we may just be able to get outside shots of it, but it's a very beautiful mosque, not too far from here. So we're gonna head over there before it gets dark and check that out. Because tomorrow we're gonna go to the other town. It's like a 2.5 hour drive, so we got a long day. And then the day after that I have to drive 6 hours to Marrakesh. So I want to get some good rest tonight to prepare for these next couple of days. Alright, we made it to the beautiful mosque called the Grand Mesquita de Tangier. Grand Mesquita de Tangier. So it's closed at the moment. It's about 6 p.m. and it reopens for entry inside, I guess, for worship at 7 o'clock. So it has different time schedules, I guess, for prayer services. It's only open for like a short limited time, then it's closed for a few hours and it reopens. So I don't think we'll get a chance to see inside. It's free to get in, from what I've seen online. But we definitely can admire this beautiful mosque here from the outside. And then also right over here is the port. And I saw ferries, so I'm assuming that's where the ferries they can take you to, maybe to Spain or something. Not 100% sure, but I would assume so. Hey guys, it's the next day. This is our third day here in Tangier, and we drove out to the famous Chefchaouen. Can't pronounce the name, but you guys know this city. I'll put it up on the screen with the famous blue houses. So we drove to this very beautiful viewpoint so we can have a nice aerial view of the town. And the drive is about 2 hours from Tangier. And it could be a lot quicker, but the speed limit is very low. You only can drive like at the most 80 kilometers, which is only maybe a small percentage of the time. Typically it's about 60 kilometers, so it takes a long time to get here. And there's tons of police on the road, so be very careful of that. But yeah, we're very excited about touring this city here. We want to get this aerial view first before we go down and walk around, and also get some lunch. And just driving here, like I didn't realize there was so many mountains, beautiful mountains here in Morocco. It just to drive alone reminded us of a lot when we were driving through Bolivia. beautiful mountains, beautiful scenery, beautiful towns you kind of go through. I've definitely enjoyed the scenic views of coming here. Hey guys, it's going to wrap it up for the Tangier video and Chefchaouen video. I'm going to just put these things together. We're going to drive back to Tangier and get ready for a long drive to Marrakesh tomorrow, 6 hours. So not looking forward to that, but it has to be done. We may stop off at Rabat on the way because it's like maybe halfway point. It looks like on the map, so we'll see. But yeah, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys on the next one.